Welcome to the Happy Heartwords channel. If you're passionate about helping young learners build strong literacy skills, you're in the right place. Happy Heartwords videos make mastering those tricky irregular heartwords fun and interactive. That's because we know reading fluency starts with knowing these words by heart. We also know that the research on reading instruction is clear. Asking students to memorize stacks of irregular word flashcards isn't the way to go. It's time for a better approach. Instead, kids need to learn the unique spelling patterns and sound spelling correspondences we find in irregular heartwords, and we're here to help with that. We've made it our mission to create fun, engaging videos that make learning irregular heartwords simple and memorable. All of our video content is grounded in structured literacy and the science of reading. Guided by the cheerful Huggy the Happy Heart, each lesson follows a consistent, kid-friendly routine to provide meaningful repetition and practice and build confidence. As educators ourselves, we know how busy life can get. That's why we're creating Heartword Highlights. Heartword Highlights are bite-sized lessons that are about 3 minutes in length. But don't worry, they still pack all the essential lesson steps into one quick and easy to follow video. And here's one last piece of great news before we say goodbye. Our videos align with the UFLI Foundations Program, making them the perfect teaching companion for heartword instruction in grades kindergarten to 2. With Happy Heartwords videos, you'll empower young learners to become fluent, expert readers. Hit subscribe today and connect with the perfect teaching partner for literacy success.